Ever accidentally refresh your YouTube and lose that perfect video you were just watching? Or maybe you want to completely wipe the evidence of your 3 AM reality TV binge. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm showing you exactly how to find your YouTube watch history, plus stick around until the end because I'm going to show you a hidden setting that automatically scrubs your history for you, so you never have to worry about it again. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up the YouTube app and double check that you logged into the right account. Tap your profile icon right up here in the top right corner. Look towards the middle of your screen for the option that says Your Data in YouTube. This is the command center for all your account's hidden data. Scroll down just a little bit until you see YouTube watch history. You'll see a quick snapshot of your most recents here, but we want full control, so tap right below where it says Manage Your Watch History. Now you can see everything. You can scroll down and tap any video to easily rewatch something you lost track of. But what if you want to delete something? Just tap the delete button near the top. You can wipe out just today's videos, pick a custom date range, or delete specific videos one by one. And for the auto delete trick I promised you, right near the top of this page you'll see the auto delete setting, right here. By default it might be set to 18 months, but you can actually customize this so YouTube automatically clears your tracks every 3, 18, or 36 months like clockwork, completely hands-free. If this video helped you find that lost video or hide your secret viewing habits, drop a like below. Ever wonder how to delete your YouTube account on iPhone? Check out this video now.